There you go. Snuck up on you, didn't I? These guys are looking good. You get the hang of it now? She kind of made a mess of it early, but she seems to have gotten into a little groove. We have 4 males and 2 females. And they are exploding in growth right now. And this is Homefree. Sire is Zorba the Gronk. And these guys will be ready to go to new homes in early November. The percentages, the precise percentages are on the website, but it's primarily Boerboel, some 50+%, and I think roughly 30% Kangal, and a smidgen of Dogo Dane at 6% each. That's not precise, but the numbers, exact numbers, are on the website. Today is September 5th, 2019. And the timing is such that I may deliver these if the homes are not too far east of the Rockies. I have another litter also on the way, which is just Kangal and Boerboel, and those will be ready to go in late November. So I may hold these a week or 2 extra and try to make one run this November, mid to late November.